Today is Tuesday, Parashat Vayikra. The parasha of this week tells us about the korbanot, all the sacrifices that were brought in the Mishkan, actually then afterwards in Bittan, the various types of sacrifices. But there is one pasuk that refers to a offering of fine flour. And the pasuk says, "V'nefesh ki takriv korban min Hashem." And a soul, when it brings a korban, an offering of mincha, was done just from fine flour, the least costly of all the offerings that were brought in Bet HaMikdash. Yet, the pasuk connects it to nefesh, a soul, when it brings that fine flour offering, to teach us a very important principle. More important than quantity is the quality. The quality in the sense when a person, a poor person, all he can afford is to bring just an offering of fine flour. That offering of his is considered to be as if he had sacrificed his soul. And in that that offering of fine flour would have, in a sense, if done with the right intention, as a devotion and commitment in doing the mitzvah food, what a person can afford, that fine flour offering has more importance than a huge amount of sacrifices or a big donation from somebody who could afford actually more, or a donation that was not done with the right intention. So here it's and it's not just in offerings in the Bet HaMikdash, but let's say even in learning Torah or being involved in doing a certain mitzvah, people have different capacities, different abilities. So really what is considered important is the effort and the intention and the attitude with which the mitzvah was done. If a person is not able to learn for long hours, but when he sits down to learn, he's focused and he does it with the enthusiasm, with commitment, that would have more importance than a person who maybe has much stronger capacities and is not fulfilling his potential that he really has. And also, whether it is in donations or in offerings, what is important is what is the intention of the person, and what is he able to do, and is he giving of himself. So here, when a poor person gives even just an offering of fine flour, which is not costly at all, but if that's all he can afford, it's considered as if he had sacrificed his own soul. And it's considered that offering would be more important than something that had more value or that was much bigger in quantity. So here we see where quality is more important than quantity. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.